Is he coming back around?
Yep. That's him right there. Oh,
What do you think about that?
I think that's the one you've been feeding, Bryce. He keeps coming closer.
Oh, he's got a new route.